Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Well, today I'm bringing you something special. So, I'm waiting on my deep fryer to get ready. Okay, you guys. So, today your girl is frying lobsters for the first time. Okay. And once I proceed with frying it, you guys will not see me no more than what I'm prepping, okay? So pretty much like an ASMR, follow me on this. So I already have my two lobsters set, okay? So I wanted to show you guys. I open them up, to get them ready. But I also wanted to show you, I also did a clean cut on them. As far as taking these, whatever you call it out. So, yeah. I wanted to show you guys. Oops, I broke that one. So, yeah. Just have it on a clean cut. So, I wanted to try frying my own lobsters. They looked so yummy when everyone else did. So, I have two of them. Okay. Maybe that could be a thumbnail. Who knows? But anyway, you guys. So, I'm about to bring the camera down. So, if you are interested, stay with me. And don't go nowhere. Okay, I'm back. So, how is everybody doing today? So, let's get this started. You know what? Let me read. Well, I think I got it. Yeah, I don't need any extra seasoning no more. So I'm going to keep these out the way because I really don't want the batter on that. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but yeah, bear with me. But we're going to flour it. And we're going to shake it off. I'm going to make sure the back is floured. I know what most of you guys said, where's her apron? I don't cook in an apron. So, I know this look complicated, right, you guys? It's really not. And I'm also using panko. Gotta be delicate with this. Put a little egg wash on it. So my panko can stay. Making sure every area has a little panko. Let's see how this turns out. Still gonna use a hand. Now, let's put it in. short video. And yes, you guys, my hair is clean. Oh, that's turning out beautiful. So, you guys, I'm trying this for the first time. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Hit the bell till you get the parentheses around it. Share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yes, most definitely, thumbs this video straight up from you guys. And I also like to thank all of my new subscribers as well. Let's take a look. Because it don't take long for lobsters to fry. Oh, look at this. You guys, that turned out beautiful. Look at the lobster. There. I'm gonna also fry some corn. You know, like I say, I don't season a lot of my food because of medical reasons. But as we know, you can season your food after the fact. Yeah. I'm gonna flour with some corn. So this is nice. This is not my Kiki. She doesn't eat seafood. So you guys, let's flip that one over and bring him out. So where it's fork and drain off, you know. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, you guys, look at that. Fried lobster tails. So let's dip our corn in here. Let's go ahead. Till we get a golden brown. And this is my take. Guys. Yes, I'm gonna dispose it. You gotta keep an eye on the lobster tail. Corn popping. Now that's one way of frying corn on the cob without putting a batter all around it. Let that cool off. And thank you guys for tuning in, because I just wanted to bring a take on me frying the lobster tail and some corn. That's my take on fried corn. Lobster tails. Let me get the torch so I can catch the corn while it's hot. Let's put a little jerk seasoning on that corn. And that's my take. And my meal. Thanks you guys for tuning in. Like I say, thumbs this video straight up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And yes, share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. Until then, bye.